Start again.
Belipola is a 17-acre estate. It was purchased by Dr. Ranilson and Ayaka in 1981. It was a degraded tea land, mostly old tea bushes and grassland. And then all the trees planted here are less than 30 years old, including this one. This is about a 25-year-old ficus tree. So we're going to the analog model. This land is, these days, people as much as we can about forestry, soil, ecosystems, trees, plants, etc. So a lot of trees are named for that. A little bit of blood.
Are there leeches?
A lot. Lychee. Yes. So analog forestry is a system of cultivation, but it's also a system of restoration. So depending on what we like to do with our land, we can design according to that. So you can see here, this is a model cultivation land. So we put a lot of fruiting trees here, a lot of insectary trees to attract bees and butterflies. On this side we have a conservation system where the forest is designed to mimic the structures of the native forest of this area. So we can see very large canopy trees, palm trees, understory trees, younger mature trees, bushes, vines, herbs, roots, etc. So we have problem with the wild boar, man. Coming.
Yeah.
We got everything.
Yeah.
Живут? Нет, он сказал, что говорит, ну, аккуратнее, если у вас есть ранка с кровью.
Пипец.
So the analog forestry system is a human-managed system. It's not a natural forest. We don't focus only on native trees. So we put a lot of exotic trees and useful trees with us. So fruiting trees, nut trees, timber trees, oil trees, and different plants, coffees and teas and gingers and turmerics, medicinal plants at the root level also. So we have this opportunity to restore degraded land and create a huge benefit for humans. So, for example, these trees here, these are exotic trees from Australia. They're macadamia nut, especially loved by squirrels and monkeys. Not so often enjoyed by humans in this forest.
I know the birds, you don't touch it.
A lot of shade, and coffee loves the shade. You put it in the open sun. They're fixing nitrogen. They provide a mulch level. We want these. You can see the epiphytes. Those are bromeliads and tree ferns that grow on the trees. That's an indicator that the ecosystem. What we try to do here is to increase biodiversity and increase biomass. Biomass is the weight of the forest. Structure is architecture, how the forest is built. In this side, we design for conservation. We want big biodiversity, big biomass. We put in many different levels, like a natural forest. This system, structure is different. There's more open, more sunlight, less layer.
A few of them, but the dog people killed them.
Oh no, they're minors.
Miners.
Yeah.
Interesting thing about the
It is monoculture. Eucalyptus trees, which is monoculture. You know what is monoculture?
Yes.
Yeah. Only one type of crop.
Монокультура, ты знаешь? Понять.
And then you can see how this village people are farming. They burn the grass and clear the land, and they make this terracing. But when it rains, all the soil comes off the mountain into the river. So Belipola is trying to be an answer to this. We try to help the guide. Full of blood. Yeah. No, thank you. Yeah, my name is Sion Zivetz. I'm a sustainability educator. I'm also one of the managers of this farm, this estate. Now we're in the organic farm here. We practice a system of only organic, no chemicals used. We do make our own inputs for pesticide, fertilizers, compost, but everything is natural and organic. We practice a system of integrated cropping, so putting different species together for benefit of each other. We also include a lot of flower plants to attract beneficial insects and predators of insects, also making the garden more beautiful and more diverse. So this is part of our analog forestry system, which asks us to follow and mimic the process of the natural forest. So here this is a mimic of the first cereal stage. As the forest is developing and growing up, we can plant vegetables, herbs, rhizome crops, etc.
How many people must to work here?
So this is a 2-acre organic farm. We have about 4 people who work full-time and 1 man who comes part-time to help with the compost making or doing the fence or bigger maintenance jobs when we need.
Why do you choose this way?
We choose this way because it's healthy for humans. It's also beneficial for the ecosystem because as you can hear birds, we can see insects, we can see lots of flowers and diversity in the garden. We know that more diversity is more maturity. It's also a stronger or more resilient system.
You felt
very, very musician nation, yes.
But not
I think.
not good.
Yes, yes. Да-да-да, он, по-моему, говорил.
From there or from here?
Little tomato.
Cherry
Ah, cherry. Cucumbers? No?
Cucumber is not the season. This one is from Thailand, this variety. This is a Sri Lankan variety. Oh, you can see onions flowering now. Very nice. You must have that now. It's just a green vegetable. We eat this also, this leaf. We fry it. Pancake.
Aloe vera.
No, pineapple.
Это ананас такой.
Beetroot, lettuce, celery.
Looks like ananas. This.
Yeah.
And one culture plants on special territory.
Yeah.
And near territory
Same as
is
this. Yeah, we mix.
very mixed.
Yeah,
Yes.
diversity is strength, right? You understand?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So if we have more insects, fungus.
Very
we don't need-
interesting. We two different systems near
Yeah.
each other.
Yes. Good. So very good for compost. So now it's ready for harvest. We compost and it grows very fast.
Это компост.
And then just to the left of the yellow forest is a palm tree that has a canopy. And you can see the canopy there.
Там их не двигайся, пожалуйста.
Super cool because up there where you have monoculture of highness and
It's Belipola.
Belipola is the line. Then it comes up, you can see this line of trees above the house and then dips down again and follows the line over there.
So where the agriculture is taking place is being farmed by other people,
All this.
and then
Poison on the ground.
the pine nuts and things that fall, you know. See nothing growing.
Oh, your
underneath.
hand, please.
Nothing growing underneath.